Amara. Not because I deserved it, not because I was worthy, not because of my strength, but because of your amazing grace. Amara. I am standing here today. There was a season I was broken, with nothing left to hold. My dreams were fading slowly, my heart was growing cold. Yet your hand reached out in mercy and lifted me again. You turned my cries into rejoicing and my losses into gain. You saw beyond my weakness, beyond my fear and shame. You called me your beloved and restored my life again. Every step upon this journey has been guided by your hand. Now I know without a doubt, your grace has always been my strength. When I look behind me, I see your faithfulness. When I look before me, I see your promises. Every chapter of my story whispers only one thing: grace. When the road became uncertain, you became my guiding light. When the valley seemed too lonely, you remained by my side. You opened doors no one could open. You made a river in the sand. Every blessing I now carry came from your loving hand. The mountains could not stop me, the storms could not prevail, because your grace surrounded me, your promises never fail. My heart is filled with joy. My lips will always praise every victory, every testimony, every breath I breathe is because of your grace. Is because of your grace. If you had not been with me, where would I be today? If your mercy had not found me, who would wipe my tears away? Your grace carried me when my feet were too weak to walk. Your love held me when my heart was too tired to hold. You gave me beauty in place of ashes, joy in place of mourning, victory in place of defeat. Everything I have I remember the nights when all I had was a prayer. I remember the mornings when hope seemed far away. Yet you never abandoned me. You never forgot my name. You never withdrew your love. Today I smile, not because life has been easy,
but because your grace has been greater
than every battle I have faced.
Amara.
I will lift my hands forever. I will sing your praise forever.
From generation
To generation,
your faithfulness
will never end. My testimony,
my victory,
my future
my life.
is all because of grace.
Amara.
You deserve all the glory.
Amara.
You deserve all the honor forever and ever.
I will worship you
When my journey is complete,
and I stand before your throne.
I will not boast of what I have done,
I will only sing
of your grace,
amazing grace,
unending grace,
saving grace.
sustaining grace. My eternal song will always be.
Because of your grace,
I live because of your grace. I stand because of your grace. I worship.
amen.
Because of your amazing grace,
Amara.
I am standing here today. There was a season I was broken, with nothing left to hold. My dreams were fading slowly. My heart was growing cold. Yet your hand reached out in mercy and lifted me again. You turned my cries into rejoicing and my losses into gain. You saw beyond my weakness, beyond my fear and shame. You called me